What is embedded system? It is a hardware system having software and it can be called embedded system. Characteristics of embedded system. Single function. An embedded system usually performs single function. Real-time operation. An embedded system must be work in real time. There must be no delay in operation. Microcontroller based. To make real-time system an embedded system must be microcontroller based. Memory. It is having a memory, and that is the software usually embeds in the ROM. It does not require any secondary memories on the computer. Connected. It connects peripherals to connect input and output devices. HWSW system, especially, software testing is utilizing for more flexibility and features. The hardware is utilized for both security and performance.